Hi, my name's Andy, and in this video I'm going to be telling you the 5 top reasons why folding bikes are so good in big cities. Right now I'm in the city of London, cruising around on my folding bike. The main reason that it's so good in this city in particular is it is a lot faster than both walking, riding the bus, and taking the tube.
And driving a car.
Heaps faster than driving a car. The second good reason for riding a folding bike in a big city like London, storage of your bicycle. If you live in a big city like this, you will undoubtedly be living in a high density area, and you might not have a lot of space to store a full-size bicycle. A lot of these apartments around here, they don't have a garage or even a lock-up area for storage. So if you have a folding bicycle, you can take it up into your apartment and it's easy to store. The third good reason for having a folding bike in a big city is practical intermodal transport. If you need to go further distances, or you're in a hurry, it's raining, for whatever reason, you can fold up the bike, put it on a bus, put it on a train, and then head to your destination that way. You can even put it in the back of a car. The possibilities are endless. Reason number 4 for riding a folding bike in a big city, it's not expensive. You'll be able to get around a lot cheaper by riding on a bicycle. With the initial outlay being a little more expensive, it'll by far be cheaper than paying for public transport or a car, even cheaper than just parking a car in a city like London. Having a folding bike. G'day, how you doing? So yeah, that's reason number 4, cheaper transport costs. It's increasingly becoming the cheapest way to get around in any city in the world. And the number 5 reason for having a folding bike in a big city is your health. It's healthy to get out, do a bit of exercise, breathe some fresh London air. It's good for your mental health as well. You're out moving, enjoying the sunlight, all of these good things.
We've also ridden these bikes over 2,000 miles, and if you want to watch those videos, have a look on the channel.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. My name's Andy, you're watching Hobocyclist, and I'll see you in the next episode.